What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at Bitcoin. Okay, this is looking extremely bullish, but we might have a severe drop for the Bitcoin price before we continue to the upside. And I'll show you why for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and also for Litecoin, guys. So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. And if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform. This is my favorite day trading platform. Okay, you can get 50% in addition of what you deposit by using my link in the description and using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. So make sure to take advantage of this bonus, guys. And a massive thank you for my last video. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's arrive to 300 likes, guys, and subscribe to the channel because I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. Not financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. All right, guys, zooming in here for the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly chart. Okay, we have formed this inverse shoulder, head and shoulder that we were talking about yesterday, where it looks like we did want it to break out, guys, but be careful on the 1 hourly chart. We are in overbought territory on the RSI, okay, and we are forming some bearish divergence. Okay, we can see the RSI going down and the price going up, as you can see right over here. So guys, be very, very cautious because we might do another small right shoulder here before breaking to the upside. I am extremely bullish, but I am looking for an intense correction before we actually break out from this resistance point or this neckline. Okay, guys, so this is something that we should pay attention at here for Bitcoin. Remember, if we come all the way down here, then this pattern is going to look very, very different. So be very careful with placing any long positions. If I go to the 15-minute chart, we can see we did try to kind of break out from here, but we are getting massive rejection, okay, because of this bearish divergence on the 1 hourly chart, as you can see here. All right, on the price of Bitcoin. So we got the RSI going down, the price going up, guys. We might have a massive rejection and correction here before actually breaking to the upside, okay? If we break this neckline with a decent amount of volume and break the breakout, okay, I usually trade this not on the breakout. We have a little pullback and then break the breakout, okay, with a little bit of more volume. So this can be traded, guys. If you want to trade this, the measured move is getting the head to the neckline, okay, all the way from the breakout. You know, we could go as high as $48,000. Obviously, we are going to get major rejection at the $42,500 range, okay, where we have this massive resistance. It's been massive support in the past year, as you can see. So there will be some type of rejection unless we actually break this neckline, you know, in the next coming days. Because with these bearish divergence, I do see a decent correction here and then potentially forming like a double right shoulder, okay? And then, you know, this neckline is going to coincidence with the $42,500 range and then have the massive breakout, okay, guys? Also, massive resistance at the $46,500 range, okay? So that it won't be a straight line all the way up to 48,000, guys. So pay attention to this, okay? Be careful by placing any longs at the moment. We might have a massive correction before we continue to the upside. Let's take a look at Ethereum because Ethereum also is looking extremely bullish. But I also can see this like a kind of Adam and Eve pattern, okay? We have this massive spike and drop, and then we have this nice round bottom formation. I did say yesterday, you know, if you saw my video, if we bounce from here, very likely, you know, the next level is the 2,900. We actually hit the 2,900 exactly, okay, guys? And I said we are going to get massive rejection. As you can see, it's been major resistance here in the past. So what can we expect now? Well, as you can see here, we are forming like an ascending wedge, okay? Everybody is extremely bullish at the moment. In the short term, we need to have a clear breakout from the $2,900 with a decent amount of volume. As you can see here on the 1 hourly chart, we are also having some bearish divergence, sorry. We can see the RSI going down and the price going up, okay? We are in overbought territory on the 1 hourly chart, so expect a massive correction for Ethereum in the next coming hours. This is an ascending wedge, which is also bearish, so be careful. We might have a massive correction for Ethereum coming as low as $2,300. Also, what I can see here, instead of an Adam and Eve, if we break out from this bearish pattern, this ascending wedge, and get a massive rejection, there is bearish divergence. So everything's pointing that we will be having a decent correction in the next coming hours. We are potentially forming a huge bigger inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern. Be careful, guys, by placing any longs at the moment. I'm expecting a massive correction before we continue to the upside. Yes, if we break up from here now with a decent amount of volume, okay, this is going to be looking very bullish. We won't be forming, this, we are breaking out from this ascending wedge to the upside. We won't be forming the right shoulder. So this is going to be more like an Adam and Eve kind of pattern, as you can see right over here. And the measured move from this is getting all the way from the lower bottom here, from this double bottom. Let's go conservative and go from this bottom to the neckline, okay? And from the breakout, we can expect a $3,800 Ethereum from this breakout, okay, guys? We want to see some decent volume. We want to see, a breakout from the breakout. So we break out, we have a retracement, and then we break the high from the breakout. Then this is going to be looking very, very strong with some volume, okay? So this is what I got for Ethereum for you guys. Be careful by placing any longs just yet, because it is looking a little bit bearish with the RSI, okay, with the bearish divergence and this ascending wedge for Ethereum. Let's take a look at Litecoin, because Litecoin is also doing a very similar scenario. We can see we are at the overbought territory on the RSI for the 1 hourly chart. We did create this descending wedge, okay, extremely bullish. We've broken out, so we should be coming all the way to the top of the wedge, which is at the $300 range, but it's not going to be in a straight line. We are going to see some bumps here before we arrive there. So what I can see here is I've joined these lower highs, okay, and also I've just joined it right over here from this resistance point, which is this red candle, okay, with some decent volume. We can see we are just hitting this neckline, okay, from this downtrend from these resistance point. And now what can we expect for Litecoin? Well, as we are in the overbought territory on the 1 hourly chart here also, there's no bearish divergence, but I am expecting a correction. If Bitcoin and Ethereum corrects, well, then Litecoin will be also correcting. We are going to form potentially an inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern here for Litecoin with a downtrend neckline, okay? This is very, very likely, in my opinion, to occur because we are in the overbought territory on the 1 hourly chart. So a cool off is very possible. If we break out from here, guys, well, we are going to get some rejection at the $220, okay? As you can see right over here, it's been major resistance, but I do think that we are going to have a cool off before having the massive blast off, okay? And like another accumulation, a right shoulder here from this inverse shoulder head and shoulder pattern, guys. All of these pairs can be traded on PrimeXbt, okay? PrimeXbt, you can get an amazing bonus by using my link in the description, up to 50% in addition of what you deposit by using Bitcoinsensus 50. You need to go here to margin and go to account, and here you just place Bitcoinsensus 50 and you're getting 50% bonus of what you deposit, okay? If you deposit $10,000, you'll be getting $5,000 on top of that to trade with, guys. Obviously, you cannot withdraw this bonus. This is to add to your margin for buying power, okay, guys? If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll help you out. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, guys, we've got great articles, news, okay, exchange reviews, so you can see where the best bonuses and the best fees are on different exchanges. And the last article we have here is another major company adds Bitcoin to its books. If you want to find out which company it is, the link is in the description, guys. It's totally free and we have great information here. Massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button, and if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial, there's a video popping up on your screen so you can learn how to trade, and I'll see you guys in the next one.